guys, Huyumor Alimal. So good morning to all of you. So if you see my title, yeah, I got to emergency last night because of my hands totally out. So papakita ko sa inyo after this video or clips kung ano nangyari. Actually, hindi ko na-document lahat ng nangyari kasi wala naman akong camera with me nung nangyari yon. So, I just think na i-video siya when we were in the emergency room here in Amsterdam. So, I didn't go to the ambulance because I can walk. So, I thought this finger, if I press it for 5 to 10 minutes, it's over when I slice it. But this kind of slice, and it's really deep actually. And it happens that it's already 1 hour to 2 hours. The wound still didn't stop bleeding actually. So because we have anticoagulant in our blood, but in this case, because it's deep, hindi siya nag-stop bleeding. So I'm very worried when didn't stop until 1 hour and 15 or 30 minutes, I think. So we decided to go to the emergency last night. So it was last night, Thursday. I was working, cleaning up the cupboards, and then we are going to repair the cupboards because there's something screw missing, and then we take out the cupboards and there's a metal there. That's what happened. So I didn't know that it was really sharp. So it sliced it. Actually, the first time that it was sliced is bobbed, but yeah. Bob said to me, be careful because it's really sharp. Then I realized when we are going to put it back the cupboards, I hurt myself accidentally. So that's what happened on my hand. So it's really deep, no stitches. They said they're gonna try if possible that they can just put the butterfly bandage on it instead of stitching it. I don't know if it is working because they said I can take this out for 24 hours and clean it and put it the butterfly bandage again, something like that. I'm gonna show you what is butterfly bandage later on if I rinse it and clean it later at night, so you have idea. So guys, be careful for what are you doing because everything happens accidentally. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung clip after this video. So, guys. Hi guys. Kasi emergency kami ngayon ni Bob kasi nahiwa ako. So, 1.5 hours na siyang nagbibigay. Ayaw namin tumigil. So, nagpa-ano ko sa emergency on my left hand. Nahiwa ako sa backwards. So, that's really emergency. Hindi ko alam kung tatahiin ako. Kasi laki niya ganyan siya, diba? Kaya may mga hands ko, puro dugo. So, hi guys, look at my hand. They don't stitch it, but they put a butterfly bandage just to close the wounds because it's like this wound and 2 hours bleeding and it's not normal. So yeah, we're going home. It's around 9 o'clock. We haven't eat yet because I couldn't feel that I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So I am not eating yet for 9 hours now. So let's see. Let's go home, Bob. Hi guys, so I'm outside. So I need to buy a gauze for my wound. So because we have only the web kind of gauze, we don't have the cotton gauze. So I need to go to the merchandise called Atos. You know that if you're watching my channel. So we didn't go to work. Obviously, I'm not good at it, that I'm not going to work. I feel like different because I love working. As you know, I have a lot of work to do and I really love to work. That's the thing. I feel so unhappy if I'm not working. So here, Anna Frank House. You know this, every time I go here, every time. So guys, i-research nyo kung sino si Anna Frank dito sa Amsterdam or sa Netherlands. This is very interesting story. So yeah, look at that. Beautiful weather. Skies are a little bit blue, cloudy, with a little bit of sun. And the weather is clear. So guys, it's currently 11 degrees Celsius, but the feels like it's 6. So every time you go out here in the Netherlands, you always need to check the weather because the feels like is really important. So yeah, nice weather today. I'm happy. I couldn't put pressure on my finger because yeah, it's painful. It's still painful, honestly. I need to buy paracetamol. So yeah, it is what it is. Ito yung Atos actually, in Dutch. Galing muna ako sa withdrawan kasi nag-withdraw ko ng pera. So here's the Atos. So ito yung mga kailangan ko, guys. Gas compress, I think this one, but here guys, ito yung mga kailangan ko. Butterfly strips, and then non-woven, this one. So, punta ako dun sa bilihan ng juice ko sa Joe the Juice. Kung napapanood nyo again yung mga dati kong vlog, you know, Joe the Juice. So, nasa Western Strat tayo, guys. Here, punta ako doon para bumili ng green juice. So guys, nandito ako sa Joe. Ito yung lagi kong ino-order. Joe Green Mouse. So iniwan ko muna si Bob sa bahay kasi may gagawin siyang important. So ayusin ko kayo, guys. So, may gagawin si Bob na important. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng istorbohin. Para makapag-unwind din ako. So, yeah. Babasa lang ako, guys. So, guys, I'm home. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili ko. Hindi ganun kabigat tulad ng binibili ko kapag total grocery ako kasi di nga ako makabuhat. So, alam mo na kung ano yan. Gaz na meron kami nito from Ehabeo or First Kit. But, gusto ko na rin bumili para ma-sure na if in case meron kami. This is hex strips. Actually, ito yung binigay sa akin kagabi from the emergency room. Wound closure strip. So, I think this is pretty similar. Then, yung gauze na non-woven, which is kailangan ko to kasi pambabalot ko dito. And then, ilalak ko ng woven gauze. Then, ito yung betadine dito, guys. Kung nahiwagaan kayo or na-curious kayo what's ano sasabihin ko? Yung itsura ng betadine dito is ganito. This is made from Amstelveen, I think. Here. So, ganito siya dito. Pero nakalagay kasi dito, panglinis siya ng wound. Because it says oplossing means solution. So, solution siya. So, it's made of solid and liquid. That's why it says it's solution. So, one more thing is the paracetamol. I use generic. I didn't buy Panadol. And some, I think this is aqua cream with hyaluronic acid. This is the Neutrogena I used and Bob used. So, and our lunch. Because may spaghetti pa kaming leftovers. And that was it, guys. So, guys, kung curious kayo kung ano Ehabeo, ito yung first aid kit namin ni Bob. So, I think lahat ng bahay dito may ganito. So, I think sa inyo din sa Pilipinas, meron din kayo. Bob, I need some plastic bag for this because it's sterile. So, sa Ehabeo, meron kaming tapes. So, buti na hindi ako bumili. We have tapes like these two, like the nurse they used to me yesterday. So, yeah. Ito yung binili ko kanina na sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan ko kasi. Guys, comment down below if gusto nyo ulit magluto si Bob. Pero alam nyo ba yung niluluto niya? Look at that! Specialty!
Huwag kang ano ka eh.
Ano na, Bob? Lagyan mo ng garlic powder yun.
May coach pa yan, ha, guys.
Ay, may garlic na yun, no? Ito pala may garlic powder dapat. Kasi wala tong garlic. Wala na tayong garlic. Guys.
Huwag kang ano.
Si Babang galing magluto. Alam nyo ba? Yung tuna di niya sinala from water. Tapos, sabi niya, okay na ba to? Hindi pa naman niya nilalagyan na salt and pepper yung tuna para namin kakainin ng may lasa.
Wala kami sinabi. Ano ka eh.
Ang galing magluto. Naka-gloves pa yan.
Siyempre injured.
So guys, eto na yun. Ini-strips lang nila actually. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano kung kukunin kasi baka magbukas yung sugat. Kasi para siyang pandikit. Ang sakit pa naman. Pinagdikit kasi nila kasi open wound nga to kagabi. May wound. Nagaano pa, may dugo pa, So, may dugo pa siya, to be honest. May dugo pa siya. So, Bob, I need your help. Tara dito, bago yung phone mo. Ay, Shubli. takot yung kasali ko.
Linisin muna yan. Make spray. Then, bulak.
Kuha ka ng bulak dun sa Please, Bob. Please. Ayun gusto mo makita. Pero huwag niyo nang tignan kasi nagdudugo pa siya. Kailangan ko siyang
bulak.
Sterile na bulak. Tanggalin natin dugo kasi madumi yun. May fresh blood pa,
Siyempre.
Ang laki, no? Lalim pa. Ba't di mo natignan?
Ay, nakasalamin na nga.
Buka pa. Actually, nakabuka pa siya.
So, ilalagyan natin ng butterfly
strips.
Ako. Kaya ko yan.
Sabi niya, kailangan kong isarado yung yung wound. So, kailangan siya, mahigpit. Saka, diba sabi niya, para yung wound, magsarado. So, 3 strips lang yung nilagay niya.
Saka naka-open yun.
Ang sakit pa. Shit.
Pero,
so, lagyan mo ng strips, pwede din.
Hindi wala ng dugo Okay na siya.
So, kailangan ko nito kasi laki din pala niya yan.
So, gaganyan natin.
Ito yung ginawa niya kahapon, di ba? Tama ba?
Tama yan. Tapos, yan.
Tapos
tape.
May ito pa.
Ito muna. Ito hindi. Tinipan mo na tsaka na ginanyan.
Talaga. Walang tape.
Wala ba tape?
Ang tape ko dito na.
Oo nga, Galing nga. Ayan,
Oo nga, sa loob. Ibawakan mo siya, Blip. Tapean mo.
Talang.
Actually, hindi nga niya tinipan. Inanahan niya na dito.
Kasi magaling siya, tayo hindi.
Hindi, ito nga. Anihin mo. Hawakan mo na to.
Then, Higpitan mo.
Natanggal. Hindi na yung sterile. Pagkabi.
Hindi ka na ulit.
May new ones. So guys, hindi siya perfect na pagkakabalot like the other one. Nakalimutan namin lagyan ng betadine pero okay lang daw yun actually. Ito lang yung nilagay namin. Yung panglinis ng sugat. Pero for sure, mas maganda may iodine because